The impact of brows. You can immediately see the difference with just pencil on my one brow versus absolutely nothing. I know I have thin 90s brows that were overplucked, never grew back. It's not ideal, but it's essential, no matter how thick or full your brows are, to really shape them, fill them in, and make them look as perfectly shaped as possible. If you want an immediate facelift, always fill in your brows. And I'm not even finished with mine yet, but you can see the difference in what it did to this side of my face versus this side looks more drawn down. It almost looks puffier over here. My eye looks more lifted on this side. So let me show you a great simple way to shape and fill in your brows with pencil and brow tint. Number one is take your brow spoolie, and you want to always start by brushing your brows up and away from your eye to get them tamed and controlled and going in the right direction. Step number two is filling in the brow hair. I use two colors. I use dark brunette for the areas where I have less hair and need to really fill in the hair area to make it look more real. And then I use the brunette pencil in the areas where I do have some hair and to make the two blend really well together. You can do this ombre type effect if you are missing a lot of hair like I am. Now here's a tip for you. When you are filling in your brows, most of us need to extend our brows. So hold the pencil perpendicular to the base of your nose. That is where your brow should end. Most of us get thinner hair through here, and that's where your hair needs to be filled in the most, even if you have great full brows. Step number two, if you haven't professionally shaped, she's doing it all for you. But if you're not, you want to have a 90-degree angle. That's where your arch should be. And then if you hold it perpendicular to the base of your nose, that's where your brow should start. You can see I need to fill in my brows a lot more because they are really thin. Step number three is if you need more volume and you want your brows to be tamed and conditioned, brow tint is your answer. This is a really great product. It has a mascara-like wand. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to brush it up through my brows. I like to scrape a little bit of it off the brush just so I go in thinner. You can always add more, but this is going to really help give me a lot more volume and bang, so to speak, for my brows. You can see how it already thickened me on this side a lot more, and I'm going to go ahead and do some on this brow. Now here is a really important bonus brow tip to always keep in mind. Your brows are sisters. They're not twins. Do not spend all this time trying to make them look identical because they're not identical. They are sisters, not twins. So I hope this brow tip helps you. I'm going to finish filling them in with my brow tint. So I have nice, thick, full. So as you can see, I have my makeup on this eye, but my brows are done on both eyes now, and I immediately look more lifted. Of course, having my eye makeup on is going to make me have a more finished look, but you can see the difference of how the brows really make you look more complete, immediately give you a facelift, make you look more awake, make you look more bright, and make you look more shaped. Your brows are the picture frame to your face. You would never hang a gorgeous painting on the wall without a beautiful picture frame. Same thing for your face. If I can help match you with your perfect brow tint and your perfect precision brow pencil, direct message me and we will get you framed up today.